Introducing the 2022 Volkswagen Tiguan Allspace 2.0 TDI 150V horsepower. Elegance automatic. With a sleek gray exterior and loaded with features like satellite navigation, Bluetooth phone, and lane departure warning, this vehicle offers both style and safety. Boasting a 2-liter engine and only 76365 kilometers on the clock, this Tiguan is practically brand new. Plus, with amenities like an auto handbrake, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking, you can drive with peace of mind. Get behind the wheel of luxury with the Tiguan Allspace today. Each vehicle undergoes a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Contact us at blackwatermotors.ie to schedule your test drive now.